Hello, friends. Today, I want to talk about one of the greatest treasures of our planet, the ocean. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. From space, our planet looks like a giant blue sphere. Because of the enormous amount of water contained in the oceans are much more than large bodies of water. They are home to millions of species of animals and plants, from small colorful fish to enormous blue whales. An incredible variety of life depends on the ocean to survive. In addition, the oceans produce a large part of the oxygen that we breathe. Many people do not know that tiny marine plants called phytoplankton generate a significant amount of the Earth's oxygen. The ocean also regulates the climate. It absorbs heat from the sun and distributes it around the planet through ocean currents. Thanks to this process, many regions enjoy more stable temperatures. For centuries, the oceans have connected people. Ships have transported food, products, and cultures between continents. Without the oceans, international trade would be much more difficult. The oceans are also an important source of food. Millions of people depend on fishing for their livelihood and daily nutrition. Fish is a valuable source of protein for many communities around the world. However, the oceans face many serious challenges. One of the biggest problems is plastic pollution. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in the sea, affecting fish, turtles, birds, and other marine animals. Another major problem is climate change. Rising temperatures are warming the oceans and affecting marine ecosystems. Coral reefs, for example, are suffering damage in many parts of the world. Overfishing also represents a serious threat. When too many fish are caught, populations do not have enough time to recover. This can disturb the natural balance of marine ecosystems. Fortunately, we can all help protect the oceans. We can reduce the use of plastic, recycle more, participate in cleanup activities, and support marine conservation efforts. Even small actions can make a big difference. When millions of people make positive changes, the collective impact is enormous. Scientists continue to explore the depths of the ocean. Surprisingly, much of the ocean remains unknown. Every year, new species and fascinating discoveries are made. The ocean teaches us humility. It reminds us that nature is vast, powerful, and full of mysteries. Its depths hide secrets that we are still trying to understand. We must remember that the health of the oceans is directly connected to our own well-being. If we protect the oceans, we also protect our future. In conclusion, the ocean is a source of life, beauty, and inspiration. It provides us with oxygen, food, jobs, and climate balance. That is why it is our responsibility to care for it and preserve it for future generations. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time.